Alright, we're here today doing a backbox delete featuring Brad. And yeah, we're gonna get this back section off, and we're gonna get this box off here.
Yeah, man.
And see what this sounds like. Still got the stock cat. Should be nice and loud though. So we're gonna see. Getting the Happy Valets monster. Getting an exhaust on this thing. So if you want a valet, make sure you hit up Brad, man. He does a good job. He always takes care of my cars. So make sure you go to him. He's gonna pull up with his loud exhaust and the whole jet wash equipment in the boot. I mean, he comes to you, he does everything. So he'll sort anything out wherever you are. All you need is electric. He brings his own water, jet wash, all his equipment you can see in the back. This guy's organized, man. So if you want a valet, there's the number, give him a call. And we're gonna get this exhaust on. All right, we're back, but this time in the rain. As you can see, we're gonna do the back box delete. We actually got the box off just before it started pissing down. That's on the floor over there. You can see it over there. So we're gonna get that cut now, the original back box you can see there. And then we're gonna try and bypass that with some piping that we got. And we're gonna weld that back on and see what it sounds like. So that's the plan. Weather's a bit shit, because obviously UK weather, you know, it's not great. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing started when the rain calms down a bit, and that's it. Okay, so we cut the box out. The box is on the floor. That was really awkward to cut because it's quite tight, so we don't need that shit. Got some piping here to replace it. Our V-band, which also needs a bit of rewelding because it's leaky. And he just dropped the exhaust on himself. But yeah, back box is going. Oh, it's not back box, is it? It's just a rear section.
It's just the back section, yeah.
Yeah, back section's going back on, so we can mark up how we need to weld these pipes up. You can see that one. That needs to come off and then go into the V-band, which goes onto the V-band on this back section, which is actually really nice. TIG welded and shit. You know what I mean? Wait, you're gonna get this on today? How fucking long do you need? Jesus Christ. Is that on, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Finally, nice. All right, cool. Now
Let's try again, yeah.
that's on, yeah, that's on.
Yeah, that's on.
2 seconds, falls off.
Yeah, you probably did.
Okay, so we're gonna get this on, and then we're gonna get to marking up, and we're gonna see what we can make up here.
Because there's fucking WD on it, bro.
Don't fuck it up again, mate. Fucking hell. That's some fucking soot, that is. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't weld your exhaust on properly. Bunch of leaks, loads of, you know, carbon and stuff. So we'll clean that all up. We want to weld on our first piece. This is going to go on. And once that goes on, we're pretty much ready. So we're going to see that in a second when we weld that on.
Might as well just clean it up to be fair.
Yeah, definitely clean it all up. I'll just go over the whole thing, make it look a bit better. Better than my man's. My man's dookie welding. Hey. All right, first start with the exhaust and back box delete. Let's hear it. Oh yeah. Oh, you can hear this turbo spool as well. That ain't too bad. You like it? You like it?
I like it.
Happy with that, yeah?